In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the WordPress admin bar for everyone except administrators. By default, when users like subscribers log into your WordPress site, they see a black toolbar at the top of the screen. While this bar is useful for site management, it can make your website look cluttered and less professional to regular users. If you're building a clean front-end experience, hiding this bar for non-admin users is a simple but powerful improvement. I'll walk you through the exact steps to do this the easy way using a free plugin. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can usually access this by going to yoursite.com/wp-admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and hover over Plugins, then click on Add New. We're going to install a plugin that gives us control over which user roles can see the admin bar. Now, in the search bar at the top right, type in Hide Admin Bar based on user roles. This is the plugin we'll be using. It's lightweight, simple, and designed specifically for this purpose. Once you see it appear in the search results, click Install Now. After WordPress finishes installing it, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. At this point, the plugin is active, but we still need to configure it. After activation, go to the left sidebar again and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll now see an option called Hide Admin Bar Settings. Click on that. This will take you to a page where you can control exactly which user roles should have the admin bar hidden. You'll see a list of roles with checkboxes next to them. These typically include subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator, depending on your setup. To disable the admin bar for regular users, check the boxes for subscriber, contributor, and author. If you also want editors to have a cleaner front-end experience, you can check that box as well. Now here's the important part. Leave the administrator box unchecked. By keeping administrator unchecked, you ensure that you or any other site admins will still see the admin bar when logged in. This allows you to quickly access editing tools and back-end shortcuts while managing the site. Once you've selected the appropriate roles, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That's it. The settings are now applied. To test it, you can log in using a subscriber account or use a role-switching plugin to preview different user roles. When logged in as a subscriber or any role you selected, the black admin toolbar at the top should no longer appear. Your website will now look cleaner and more professional for those users, while administrators still retain full access. This small adjustment can make a big difference in user experience, especially if you run a membership site, online course, blog with registered users, or any site where non-admins log in regularly. And that's how you disable the admin bar for everyone except admins in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.